What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing a chuck roast today, sous vide. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing first, you know we got a rain on. Now we using that special rub, that brown sugar rub, y'all. We gonna get that all over this roast. Just making sure that we rub it in real good. I definitely love this rub. And hey, want you all to be looking for the video coming soon of my own rub. And it's really good, y'all. Want y'all to be able to know how to make it, just so when I make my recipes, you already know exactly what's in the rub and how to make it, and you can use it yourself. So after we get our rub all over our chuck roast, we're gonna add in some basil. Now this is some basil from my garden that I dried out myself, and we're gonna rub that in also, y'all. And then we're gonna get into that sous vide bag. Go ahead, get it back down. Sealed up and ready to go into that sous vide machine. Now we sous vide this for 24 hours at 185 degrees. Now with the juices from us sous vide our roast, we poured that into a bed of onions, and all I'm gonna do with this is boil this down and add a little slurry so we have some gravy. And of course, this is optional. You don't have to torch this because really the torching is just for texture, a little bit extra crunch. It's not for flavor or anything. I mean, it's just as good straight out the bag, yeah. But I do like that texture, so I'm torching mine. And then we're gonna get this over the top of some mashed potatoes, y'all. That beef so tender, y'all. Look at it, y'all. Oh my goodness, just falling apart on us. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So let's go ahead and get some green beans down. Now these are just regular green beans, which remind me I gotta go to the grocery store and get some more. I wish I could do fresh all the time, but I gotta do the can, y'all. Gotta do the can sometimes. And then we coming in with that gravy that we simply just simmered down that juice from that bag and added a little cornstarch, just thicken it up. And look at that, y'all. We ready to eat. So let's get us a bite. What y'all think about that bite? I think it look tasty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta give me some green beans though. But anyway, y'all, I enjoyed myself. Ate good that night. But y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.